Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll until you will find the apps. Now we have to tap on this very first option and pick 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got reset up preferences, so simply tap on it, and here your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset, and actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.